Here we go.
Thank you. Hello, my baby. Hello, good boy. Hello, look at your fingers. You've got long fingernails. Oh,
So I'm just make sure they're spelt right.
hello, gorgeous. Hello.
Try to.
There we go. There we go. I'm looking around. Oh, he's got some bloodshotness in his eye.
Is he?
Are you trying as hard as me? That's your daddy.
Hello.
You've got some hair.
More than his daddy, actually. He's only just been born.
Hello, let's see your other eye. Get your finger out. He's so quiet.
He is, actually. Zoe was a lot more cry, wasn't she, when she was
Yeah.
born?
He's probably a bit more stressed out than him.
Possibly.
Can I have some water?
Sure.
Oh,
just
you're
let me,
filming it, don't worry.
just let me go right up against his face. Let's see a bit more of you. Yeah, you're perfect, aren't you? Aren't you a perfect little boy?
It's feeling a bit odd down there.
Is it?
Yeah.
It's going to, isn't it?